storage. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back, everybody, to another unboxing or unpacking video. Today we have something from militarynames.com. They do custom orders as well as have an in-stock supply of various unit patches and rocker tabs, shoulder patches, as well as you can get custom name tapes, as well as custom tabs made in a variety of materials, patterns, and sew-on, embroidered, or Velcro backed, or hook and latch backed, as well as other supplies related to mounting patches as well, and name tapes. So again, militarynames.com, check them out. Let's get you out of the way, thank you, and let's get this open. Manifest, and everything comes in a bag every time, so even if it's exposed to the elements for some reason, you'll get this stuff nice and dry. So here we are in the oops. This will be a nice quick video, but let's see if I can. Real basic type of manifest, and again, military names. And they basically list every item on here, which helps refresh my memory. And then they go ahead and check everything off, so it's definitely checked and monitored. So I just basically wanted some stuff to complete, help complete some impressions on some surplus uniforms that I've collected over time. So we just start with this little packet here. These are sold in packs of 5. Expensive. These are just commando tabs, so you can put them over certain unit patches. So they come again, batches of 5. And one nice thing about the hook part is the hook parts actually stick to themselves, so that helps avoid extra wear and tear during storage. Let's see what else. Probably taking more time to actually figure out what they are than actually tell you what they are. Let's see. I specifically got blank ones as opposed to rank ones, but oh, there you go. This is sorry, it's a 3-page manifest. 3rd page is blank. This looks to be ACU-OCP, everybody's favorite moon camo, lunar landscape camo there. ACU-OCP rank insignia of hook fastener. Please select rank. So I selected US in the triangle design. USA. And likewise, this should be US ACU. Oh. OCP believe it's the OCP. See, I got this one too. Okay, got it. This one is the ACU-OCP U.S. Army rank insignia with hook fastener. Please select your rank. E1 blank, nothing on it. So, rankless. Put that there real quick. And this one, I figured out by elimination, is a BD. I just lost it. There's a lot of stuff on here. Ripstop BDU pattern ranks 2x2. So this is 2 inches by 2 inches, like these two as well. With hook fastener, please select rank again, E1 blank, nothing on it. So incognito. For sheer shameless self-promotion. Here's where it gets a little confusing. Oh yeah, you can get them in different lengths, character sizes, and you can see obviously different patterns. I got them all Velcro. Although some patches I have gotten because they were only available in sew-on. I got some of those too for certain uniforms they just happen to fit in. And again, you can totally custom order the dimensions, length, height of the patch itself, as well as the size of the characters, and the color of the threads. They have a lot of selections, so you can totally go nuts with custom patches. Okay, I'm doing the math in my head here. You can also see that this one here is the 5/8 inch high characters versus their standard 3/4 inch lettering. So that means by elimination, this is the DS MCCUU name tapes with hook fastener. Desired name, my nickname, Elfman. Maybe someday I'll tell about the how I got that nickname. Lettering thread color, Desert MCCUU thread, number 1957. Lettering size, 5/8 inch lettering, Coast Guard size. Interesting. Format of lettering, all capital lettering, military regulation. Length of the name tape with Velcro, finished product. Is that really it? Just triple checking here. You know what? Wait a minute. No, that's that one. Okay. No, I single ordered these. I'm just checking. Huh. See, this is unless it's hidden in here. I ordered a 3-inch long version, but this turned out to be the 3-inch long version. I think they actually got these reversed. Walk, walk, walk. We can work with it. Because these are actually, you know what? That might actually be beneficial. Were they psychic? Because because I already know what these are going on. Huh. Okay. We'll work with it. Anyways. Okay. Well, moving along by elimination. This is the DS MCCU name tape hook fastener with the royal blue thread. 3/4 inch standard lettering. And I had asked for 5 inches long with the Velcro. Are these the same height? Yeah, these are the same height, so that'll work out as well. Alright, so then we got some weird ones here. Maybe this was it. No, my bad. This is, ugh. This is what happens when you order a ton of stuff. So where's my 3-inch one? Maybe they did goof it. Huh. Yeah, where's my 3-inch one? Am I gonna have to go through this with a ballpoint pen? Oh, this one looks like the 5-inch one that I just described with the 3/4 inch lettering. So you definitely got this one. The 5/8 lettering would be this one, but I had asked for the desert thread. And this one should have been 3 inches. So this might be the 3-incher one, but it. Oh, the lettering might be 3 inches. 1, 2, yeah, okay. So I see what they did here, but then what's up with this one? Because this one ended up being the 4-inch one as described. It might be because of the fabric patterns they're using, and that's how they're loading the machine as opposed to custom cutting. They don't do any post cutting. They're using whatever fabric material for a particular item number they're using, and then they work with that to custom thread it. That is just my speculation. I have no knowledge as to their inner production, but that's what I'm speculating based on observation here, which is fine. I can work with all of this. So, I had ordered one of a Dutch Sierra fabric name. This is actually going to go on a flecktarn, although I do have some actual very similar material as well from other countries. Space blue thread, 3/4 inch standard, and 5-inch long military reg. So you can see a pattern here. So the standard ones are all 5-inch, 3/4 inch lettering. Now we're getting to the multiples, which makes this really easy. So these are 4 of the Desert Tricolor space blue thread, standard 5-inch 3/4 lettering. These are a lot bigger. These are 4 of the custom NWU3 Woodland name tapes with hook. Again, space boat blue thread, 5 inches long, 3/4 inch lettering. Let's see if I can match it up with something. These are 4 of the BDU pattern name tapes with hook fastener, space blue thread, again 3/4 inch lettering. Very nice. That's a really striking blue. This one though, this is royal blue. This will help me identify this one for sure. So the royal blue, okay, yeah, this one's fine. 3/4 inch lettering, standard royal blue. So then this one has to be the 3-inch one, the 5/8 inch lettering. Unless it's this one. That's what we agreed on. So this, the heck is this? Desert Tricolor pattern name tape with hook, space blue thread, 3/4 inch lettering, 4 inches long with hook fastener. Okay, so they've gotten it all correct. The 3 inches actually applies to that, and then the 4 inches applies that to the material. And then for basically helping to cover some material, I've got a hook fastener male Velcro 1 yard. So these are going to be kind of cut to help cover some of the unused soft side. That's actually the sewn-on portion. So these will go over the sewn-on portion of blank areas on different uniforms. And they can be cut to size. So this is 2 inches by 1 yard. So can't get it all into view, but you can see how long it really is. So if you cut it right down the middle, you can actually count, number of hooks, and it's cut in a straight line to size however you need it, to cover an area as you need to go. You can see it's exactly the same size as those rank 2x2s. So again, all this stuff is from militarynames.com. Check them out. You get all sorts of custom stuff to size and thread. I just happen to be partial to blue, unless it's desert, and then I can try to go with whatever is the standard accompanying color pattern with the fabric pattern. So feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do more specific show and tell videos on specific items, as well as curios for the curious, more artsy type objects. We also do book review, media reviews on a small selection of topics. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.